Hi guys, so for those of you who requested to see my daily routine, here you go. It starts out really early, getting the kids up and ready for school and out to the bus. And then it's back to the house. Hi Bertha! She's my shadow. She is accompanying me to the bunny barn. I go out and take care of the bunnies before I even feed myself. I want to make sure they're fed and cleaned and ready for the day. It's still dark in here. Oh, there we go. And the first thing I do is to let some bunny out to play. And today it's Anna. She loves to run around. She is a crazy girl. Look at her go. The other bunnies do get a bit frustrated when they see somebody else out. So I try to rotate who I let out to run around in the bunny barn, and the others will get to go outside throughout the day. So I start my cleaning with cleaning up whatever mess Anna left or whoever is out. Checking Mabel's food dish. I will fill the food and refill hay if needed. Oh, I gotta give everybody love and head rubs. That's Mabel. And that's Mabel's daughter. That was Molly. So, for feeding them, I put just a pinch of raw organic oats, the old-fashioned kind, and then they get 1/4 a cup of Sherwood Naturals rabbit food, which is pretty much the best bunny pellet I think you can buy. Sometimes I give digestive tablets to those bunnies who might be molting or having some mushy poo. That's little Benny. He is so cute. And the toilet paper tubes or hay racks, I have both, but they tend to prefer to eat hay out of the toilet paper tubes. They get filled. And there I am making my way through all the bunny cages, refilling everyone's feed. You can see Anna running around in the background. Oh, time for Anna to go away. Say goodbye to Anna. And it's somebody else's turn to run around. There, it's Asher. Asher, like Anna, is just full of energy. There he goes. Dropping pellets along the way. That's where the vacuum comes in handy. Oh, there he goes. That is Kaylee and her babies. She has a 2-story bunny condo, but only the babies will use the ramp. She just doesn't want to for some reason. There's Asher still investigating. I put a little litter box back there. And then after I feed, I start vacuuming. The floor, the cages. I just neaten up mostly poo balls and hay. Lots of cleaning to do. Oh, I have to pay attention to the bunnies too. Still vacuuming. The strap sucks. That is Sunny Jim, and he has figured out the bottom door is open, so I have to keep moving him to the second floor as I vacuum. Asher is going back. Time for somebody else to get to run around, and there goes Camilla, and she's off. Sometimes it's easier to clean their cages when they're out of them, especially ones like Camilla and Anna and Asher, who are just very high energy bunnies. They need to get that energy out. And little Timmy, he's such a sweetie. Oh, there I am, giving him hugs. He's a very good boy. This is funny. Watch Camilla. She jumps back in her cage just to check around, then back out. She's hilarious. After I feed and clean, I get the outside pens ready. If it's a nice day, and today it is, it's about 60 degrees. And and I came back in to get a bunny, and I happened to catch Anna feeding her babies. So I quietly got a little video of her, and there are her babies. She has 4 in there, 2 little broken oranges and 2 frosties licking their lips. So here come the bunnies. That looks like little Benny, and then Golden Boy. Actually, I'm not entirely sure. And those are Kaylee's babies down in the far end. Oh, that's Sunny Jim. It's hard to tell the oranges apart until I see them up close. That's little Timmy. And then his brother Tommy. He's crazy. He's so cute. They're brothers. That's Golden Boy. Giving himself a bath. Sunny Jim. Uh-oh. Looks like storm clouds. I think the bunnies probably will have limited playtime for a while. Then it's cleaning litter boxes. Every now and then I have to scrub them out once they get really yucky. Otherwise I just rinse them out. Soapy water. Scrape out all the poo, the wet litter, put it in the compost. And then when the litter box is clean and rinsed, I refill it. Sometimes I have to scrape the grate with a wire brush. And then the litter box goes back, but I know Luna has a large hind end and made a little mess, so I used some vinegar and water to clean up that mess. More litter boxes. I tend to clean about half of them, I would say, every day. Some bunnies need theirs cleaned every day, and others can go a couple days, maybe even 3 days. And there's my husband. He likes to pop in every now and then and pet his favorite bunnies. He likes Camilla and Anna and Timmy. Those are his favorites. Oh, that's little Bella. Oh, getting ready to clean water bottles. You can see the little float I have in the water bottle, so I can view the water level, monitor it a little bit better. I'll share with you what those are a little bit later. Bella and her little baby DJ. She's so sweet. She loves that baby. So let's clean some water bottles. You can see Timmy needs some water. So I take it over to the sink, and there's my little water bottle brush. Every now and then I scrub them out with the brush if they feel yucky, or I know that it's been a while since I've cleaned them with the brush. Otherwise I just use hot water, give them a good rinsing, and then refill them. That is a little plastic ice cube, reusable ice cube, and there's just some vinegar and water. But the little reusable ice cubes are great to help me see where the water level is. So there we go, scrubbing his water bottle out with a water bottle brush. Look at that hot water. Put the reusable ice cube back in, fill the water level all the way to the top. That's the key to keeping it from leaking. And then put the cap on as tightly as you can. And these smaller, I think these are 32-ounce water bottles, are really pretty good about forming a vacuum very quickly. Very few drips get in the cage. But after I put the water bottle back on, I give it a few taps on the little ball valve. And that's about all you need to stop it from leaking. Now this is the half-gallon size bottle. Obviously the water lasts a little bit longer, but they do take a while for the vacuum. I was just checking on the bunnies outside as I fill the water bottles. So I'll put the lid on as tightly as possible. Now these I tip over before I put them back in the cage. Give them a few taps and let the vacuum start to form. I put a paper towel right under the water bottle when I first put it back in the cage, just to catch a few drips. Luna's going to take the paper towel away. And she's really good about drinking the drips as they leak out for the first minute. So she said, I don't need that paper towel. There's Camilla. Alright, so after the water bottles, litter boxes, everybody's been fed and cages vacuumed, I need to check any nest boxes full of babies. I check the baby's eyes and I check their bottoms, making sure that their eyes aren't crusty. Occasionally you'll get a little bit of that and need to wash that off with some warm water. And I check bottoms to make sure that there is not a poo clog. which sometimes happens, usually when babies are transitioning from milk to pellets and hay. But I think it's a good idea just to monitor them. Camilla has one of Luna's babies. That little one in there is one of Luna's. Her babies are so fat. That one's Luna's right there. Such a cute little Frosty. Little broken orange. Oh, there's a little nugget there. So I gently pick that off of there just to make sure things don't build up. Meanwhile, it has started raining, so it's back out to the porch to bring every bunny in, keep them dry and warm. There goes Sunny Jim and the babies. Aw, they're so cute. Then it's time to take the compost out to the compost pile. Bunny poop is so good for your garden. There's Diesel. Check my hay inventory. Apple sticks, they love to chew on those. We cut those from some apple trees we have. See what laundry I need to do, and I quickly take inventory and see how much food I have. B is for baby food, A is for adult food. And then it's back to the house to change clothes and get breakfast. And then it's to the computer. Usually go to my website, do a few updates. And then I spend a few hours slaving away vacuuming. I love Roomba. That is such a great invention. Does a pretty good job too. Then it's time for some laundry. And a little more vacuuming. Then have to start making the lunches for the kids for the next day. And I sneak a few. Ooh, those look yummy. Breakfast dishes, and then it's time to start prepping dinner. Going to have baked potatoes tonight, and this is my Uncle Bob's brined baked potato recipe. And then it's off to my other job. I have a very small embroidery business. And then later in the day, if I have some extra time, I like to just hang out in the bunny barn. That's little Benny right there. I might check my email, make phone calls. Those are Mabel's babies. And then after I pick up the kids from the bus and we work on homework, then it's back to the bunny barn later in the afternoon or early evening, and we do it all over again. There goes Mabel. She's going outside to play in the pen since the rain has stopped. And then Luna gets to run free. Check everybody's food. I give another 4th cup food if they have eaten most of the food from the morning. Refill their hay. Oh, there's Timmy. I love to give Timmy hugs. Timmy needs a litter box change. And then I'm checking Camilla's babies again. Oh, so cute. There's a little Frosty. These are Anna's babies, the one that you saw getting fed earlier. Have to check them. Check their bottoms. Their eyes aren't quite ready to open yet. They're just about a little under 2 weeks old. There's Mabel playing outside in the pen. And then usually some chickens and guineas like to join us. Make a mess. There's Luigi. And then it's more vacuuming. Not all of the bunnies need their cages vacuumed twice a day, but some are messier than others. Speaking of which, here comes little Luna again. Her poor ear still looks a bit rough. She had a bit of surgery a few weeks ago. Oh, it's time to bring everybody in. Bye, Luigi. And that was little Phoenix. And there goes Mabel. So there you have it, my routine from about 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Hopefully I haven't bored you too much. Thanks so much for watching. Any questions? Let me know and I'll do my best to help. Bye.